set, go. ASMR real quick.
What is up, ADORABLEATTITUDE squad?
And we're back in this video. I'm Amiya.
I'm Akiya.
And we are adorable.
Attitude.
We are fraternal
twins. If you are new to our channel, you really gonna walk through like that.
You're not even funny. Okay, let's start.
Go on somewhere. But anyways, back to what we were saying. If you're new to our channel, make sure you like, subscribe to be a part of ADORABLEATTITUDE squad. Yes, and as you can see by the title, we are going to be doing twin telepathy. Glue on nails. Okay, ready?
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. No! So we didn't get a point.
Okay, ready? Set, go.
Yes!
What
no.
Oh,
We got
yeah.
a point. Alright, ready? 3,
Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1. Yes! So we got another point. Oh my gosh, y'all. Ready?
Yeah,
Think.
ready? Oh yeah, I'm ready. I already know.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah!
Wait, what'd you get?
I got these.
Oh, I thought you had the nails again because they were in the package. I already opened my glue up. So,
I'm gonna open
yeah.
mine up too.
So, we both got kisses.
So
yes.
we got 3 in a row and 1 wrong. Obviously our first round, but that's okay because we got the rest right.
But anyways, we're gonna get these nails on a roll.
And right now we're just gonna be more focused on our hands because we're trying to get all the decorations together. And just so y'all know, we got all these materials from Dollar Tree.
Yes, we did. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna put some glue on right here. And then I'm going to glue it onto my thumb, which is right here. I push it on real tight, make sure it glues on.
You mean stay on?
Okay, this is my pinky. Yes, that's right. What's this for? No. Let's try this.
There you go. Okay, so as you can see, y'all, I already done 1 whole nail right here. And I just got done with doing my first hand. I'm on to my second hand. But these are really easy to do. All you gotta do is buy some press-on nails from Dollar Tree, Walmart, hair store, doesn't matter. And then some glue to go with it. And it's just that easy. And pick out your favorite nail polish.
Alright, you guys, so we're done.
Ew.
And now
So
we're
now
gonna
we're
get started painting and decorating.
Oh wait, ASMR real quick. ASMR. Okay guys, so let's get started to painting. I'm gonna get my pink, beautiful pink. I love this color. This one's so pretty.
That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all look at
I think this is like a hot pink. Or this is a little lighter.
It says it on the back.
this. This is so pretty. Let me try to get the outside.
It says it's
I'm starting to paint. I don't want it too thick, but I don't want it too thin because I want it right in the middle because this is like a light color, a really light color.
So this doesn't even look like a glue on, y'all. This looks just like a regular nail, you know what I mean?
They're all done. So they're all done. And now we're going to start designing them.
Yes! And let's get started.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to take this blue.
Okay guys, so I'm just going to add some paint. As you can see, I have the green paint and the purple paint. And I'm just going to add that on. Let's see. Guys, so I'm just adding with my brush. I'm going to dab it on here. And then I'm just going to... And as you see, there's glitter. gonna do that to all my nails.
Okay, y'all, so for my nails, I'm gonna add the blue. I'm gonna add 2 blues for each nail except for these 2. And for these 2, I'm gonna add both of these glitters and one of the green stickers. And I'm gonna do that for both of my side of my nails. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to add some more nail polish to it because I want it to stick. I don't want it to move. Okay, y'all, so I just already added 1 blue, so now I'm gonna add the second blue to it. And I'm gonna have it like right under. Okay, so now I'm moved on to my middle finger and my ring finger. And so now I'm gonna add some more nail polish to it. So the glitter and the, whatever this is called, the green beads and stick on it. So I'm first gonna just, like, you don't even need that much glitter. I'm just gonna get a little bit. Ooh. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some on the table first, like this. And then I'm gonna use my hand. Get some off the table like that and then place it on top and just move it around. And then I'm going to take the purple one. I'm going to do the same thing. I gotta get more purple. And then I'm gonna take the green bead. I'm just gonna have 1 for the middle one. And then I'm gonna add a green bead to the bottom. Oh my gosh, I don't think it's sticking. It's stick. I'm gonna add it like that. So that's how it's gonna look.
Okay, guys. So I wanted to add this design on my hand, as you can see. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm putting the line on my hand, and then I'm putting one of them on the ends of my finger. This one myself right here. So I'm just gonna fix that. But this is what I'm doing. And if you can't see on the fingernail, I have my glitter on it. And yeah, I'm just gonna add the purple on the other hand. And yeah, I'm just gonna add a few more sprinkles right here. And then I'm gonna add a blue. Okay, you guys, so if you guys want this to stay on, try using some glue, because I didn't use glue for this because this is already sticky right here. And if you want to, you can put it in the middle of your nail. You don't have to put it in the bottom, and you don't have to put the lines on it. And this is all from Dollar Tree, just so you guys know.
Okay, y'all, so I'm finishing up the last one, and I just did the same thing for both of my nails, as you can see. But all I have to say for these is that if you want to do the same design as me, whenever you're adding the glitter, put some on the table and first add your nail polish to your nail. Put some more nail polish on there, and then dip your hand into the glitter and tap it on top of your nail. But you don't want to tap it too rough, or it will not, show up enough. Okay, y'all, so we are done now, and I really like how my nails turned out. And tell us down below which one you like better.
Yes, comment down below who you think won.
So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out, love you guys.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down for more. If you like this video, we can do more nails videos. So peace out.
Mwah.
Hey you guys, so we're just here, trying to
find nails.
Yeah, we're trying to find out some nail stuff for our video on Adorable Attitude. You already know.
We are going to be shopping, and we're gonna be doing whatever you can carry.
Okay, so this is how it's gonna go down. Me and Amiya are gonna pick a store that we want to go to, and then we're gonna have to play, like, I say Claire's. I want to go to Walmart.
Okay, so me and Akiya are gonna play rock, paper, scissors to see where we are going today.
Rock, paper, scissors, what? Best out of what?
No, one. No, just one.
One.
Okay.
Okay, he hold it. Hold it. Show what? Okay, ready? Set.
Hold on, wait.
Hold on, wait.
hold my purse. Okay, ready?
Ready,
set,
to go.
rock,
paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
Hey, what am I